very warm good morning to all. I'm from Mumbai Municipal Corporation School. It's an education department. Okay. Myself, Rupali Narendra Rajput, and I'm from G North Ward. And this is whole team working with us. Okay. So before starting our topic, I would like to sing one song. Would you like to listen? Now we will start with the one of this song. Maybe you know that. Okay. Then you have also recite with me. Okay. Yes. Say, all my John had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. All my John had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had cats. On that farm he had some cats. E-I-E-I-O. With the mama here and the mama there. Everywhere mau mau, everywhere man had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. All my gonna had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some dogs. E-I-E-I-O. With the baba here and the baba there, everywhere baba, all my Donald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some chick. E-I-E-I-O. With the chick here and the chick there, everywhere chick, all my Donald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some sheep. E-I-E-I-O. With the baba here in the baba there. Here bow, there bow, everywhere bow bow. All MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some cow. And E-I-E-I-O. With the bobo here, in the momo here. Here mow, there mow, everywhere mow mow. All MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. You can see this slide? Yes. So, you have to identify the noun. From all these sentences, what you have to identify? You have to identify the noun. Gaurav is a good boy. Gaurav is a good boy. What will be the noun from this sentence? Yes, you can write it in the chat box also and you can raise your hands. Yes? Gaurav. Very good. Gaurav is what? Noun. Noun means what, children? It's the name of something. Naming the word. That is called noun. Okay. So the next slide is the lion is the king of the jungle. Now what will be the nouns here?
Lion.
Lion and
Jungle. No,
yes,
king.
king also. Okay. Now you can see this slide. Yes.
Yes.
These are the colorful balloons. These are different colors of balloon. So identify the noun.
Balloons.
Very good. Balloon is what?
Noun.
Balloons are the noun. Very good. Now, Dhanashri is a beautiful girl. Now, what will be the noun? Dhanashri. Okay. Now, I know ant likes a sweet honey.
And
I know ant. Ant is a noun. So, children, you know the noun. Okay. So, from same sentences, now you have to identify the adjective. Okay. Now, who will read this sentence?
I.
You have to identify the adjective. Before that, you have to read this sentence. What is the sentence? Gaurav is a good boy. Already you have given me the answer. The Gaurav is a noun. Now what will be the adjective here?
Gaurav.
Gaurav is the noun, na? Naming word. Now for this naming word, which describing word is used?
Good boy.
Good. Good is what? Your adjective. Children, adjective means what? It's a describing word for your noun. Okay.
Yes.
Now, lion is the king of the jungle. Lion is the king of the jungle.
The king.
Yes, king. Next, these are the colorful balloons.
Balloons.
Balloon is your noun.
Colorful.
Yes, colorful is what? Your adjective. Very good. Now, Dhanashri is a beautiful girl. How is it?
Beautiful.
Yes. Okay. Now, next is an ant likes a sweet honey.
Sweet.
Sweet means we saw in the slides the Gaurav, Lion King, Jungle, balloons, Dhanashri, and these are what? Nouns. These are what, children? Nouns. And again we saw,
Unmute माझं आणि कॅमेरा ऑन आहे.
yes, good, then king, then colorful, then beautiful, and next sweet. These are what? Adjectives that you know. Very good, children. So, the before the noun and the before the pronoun, the letters or the alphabet words are used. It's called articles. Okay, so in English grammar, today we are going to learn articles. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn articles. Okay, very good. Now, what is meant by article? An article is a word that comes before a noun. Okay, or comes before a pronoun also. Sorry, not a pronoun, adjective. Okay, and an article is a word that comes before a noun. Now you can say boy, bee,
Yes.
and apple. These are what, children? The noun. And before this noun, the words are used or letters are used. These are the articles. Okay.
The and
You have to say, articles are the words
articles are the words
that define a noun
that define a noun
as a specific
as a specific
or unspecific.
or unspecific.
Okay. Now, again, the article are the words. Article are what? That are the words. And what that define? That define the noun as a specific or unspecific.
Unspecific.
Okay. Now, these three little words are the type of adjective, are the types of adjective, are called articles or determiner. Okay, because they help us to describe the noun. This is help us to describe the noun. Okay, now these three words. Okay, and we are saying that describing nouns and adjectives. So I will show these slides and you can know. See, you can see your adjective good. Before that, we have used one word. What is that?
A.
A. Okay. O is used. A is used. Okay. Means before the adjective, we have used one word. Okay. Now here also, before this noun, we have used the. Very good. And before this adjective also, we have used the. Here also, before the adjective, we have used. Okay. Now here, the noun. See, before the noun or before the adjective. Say an is used. And here adjective. And this. Okay, children. Now, these are the articles. Okay, the and a. We saw in that sentence. These help us to describe the noun, and this comes before the noun or the adjectives. Okay, which are these three words? The three words are the and a. Which are these three words, children?
The and O.
A. Okay.
Okay.
Now, there are how many alphabets are there? There are 26 alphabets. You know, na ABCD. So, that A to Z, there are 26 alphabets. In this, we are having 5 are vowels and 21 are consonant in the alphabet. Okay. Now, why we are saying this 5 as a vowels and why 21s are consonant in alphabet? So, we will move in the next slide. Okay, why we have it calling to these are vowels and these are the consonant. Okay, now vowels. Now, vowels are what, children? When a speech sound made with your mouth open and tongue in middle of your mouth, not touching to your teeth. Means what? Whenever you will start with your alphabets, when your mouths get open without touching your teeth. Means what, children? Any word when you are pronouncing or any letter when you are pronouncing, that time also you can see the vowel sound letters. Our tongue is not touching to our teeth. Okay, means if you will pronounce apple, please repeat this. Apple. When you pronouncing this word, how you are doing this? You are opening, your mouth gets open and you are not touching to your teeth. Directly the apple word is coming. See, and lips are closing. Means what? A speech sound made up with your mouth open and your tongue in a middle of your mouth, not touching to your teeth. Getting, children? Means any any vowel or any consonant, not about consonant, but whenever you will start the alphabets, letters, words, you have to see when our mouths gets open without touching teeth. Okay, please you can try the word apple. Please try that word apple and how your mouth gets. You see that how your mouths are opening. Yes, children. Yes, means when you are pronouncing the word apple, then your tongue is not touching to your teeth. Means whichever letter it's open with your mouth and it's not touching to your teeth. These letters are called vowels. These letters are vowels. Now, these are also having two types. Okay, vowels means for that sound we are having two types, children. Short vowel sound. First one is what? Short vowel sound. When you say apple, apple, the sound is what? A. Sound is what? Apple, apple. Repeat this, children. Apple,
Apple.
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 You have to repeat this. Apple.
Apple.
Very good. Now next is egg. Egg.
Egg.
Igloo.
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 Octopus.
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 Umbrella. Umbrella.
Umbrella. Umbrella.
Now I will repeat for you. Apple, apple, egg, egg, igloo, igloo, octopus, octopus, umbrella, umbrella. These are what, children? These are short vowel sound. The letters are this, but the sounds are different. Okay. But in long vowel sound, when you will see, the letter has its sound has not changed. Like A, E, I, O, U. You can see this vowel A,
E
E,
I
I,
O.
O, U. Means same sound is there. Okay. Here in the long vowel sound, we are not having a different sound for this. See, acron, 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 eagle, 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 ice cream, ice cream, open, open, uniform, uniform. See, children, you are getting the same sound. How we are reading the letter A, E, I, O, U? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, means in the long vowel sound, the sounds are same as a letter. Okay, but in the short vowel sound, the sounds are different. Okay, and you have to learn these sounds, children. You can read and you will get the idea how that sounds comes, and you will remember how to read that words also. Okay, now
Teacher,
consonant. Yes.
the sound is not clear. Come and slow.
What?
The sound is not clear. Come and slow.
Okay, my voice is not clear.
Yes.
Why? Mangal teacher. Yes, okay. Now you can listen it clearly.
Yes.
Yes, thank you, beta. Now we will move to next part, that is consonants. Now 21s are what? 21 alphabets are consonant. Now what will happen here? The consonants are pronounced by moving the part of your mouth. Means your tongue, teeth, and lips. Means what, children? You are going to use your moving your part from this mouth. There's a bat. When you are pronouncing bat, your mouth is opening. See, bat.
But
No.
no.
Means only you are using your lip, tongue, and teeth. Means when you will open up the mouth, that will be your vowel, and remains all will be your consonant. Okay. So we saw that A, E, I, O, U. These five are what, children? These are vowels. And now the 21 other letters. These all 21 letters are what? These are the consonants. Okay. Now first letter is B. Down sound should be B. B, B, bat, B, B, ball. Huh? You have to repeat after me. Bat,
Bat.
B, B, bat.
Bat.
Cat,
Cat.
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 Dog,
Dog.
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 Fish,
Fish.
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 When you are doing this now, bubbles and all, fish sound is f. Okay, fish.
Fish.
Yes. Goat.
Fish.
J stands for goat.
Goat. Goat.
Hat. H. the sound for H is her. The sound for H is her. Her. Hat.
Hat.
Jug.
Jug.
Kite.
Kite.
Lamp.
Lamp.
Monkey.
Monkey.
Nose.
Nose.
Parrot.
Parrot.
Quarter.
Quarter.
Quarter. Quill. Rabbit. Rabbit.
Rabbit.
Sun. You're making the sound now. Same way. Sun. When you're calling to someone in the classroom, how you're calling? If teacher is there, same way you are making the sound, na? Then you have to say sun.
Sun.
No. Sound. Sound for S is Yes. Tiger. Tiger.
Tiger.
Van.
Van.
Wall.
Wall.
Box. Yak.
Yak.
Zebra.
Zebra.
Okay, I will repeat for you once again. Bag. Cat. Dog. Fish. Goat. Hat. Jug. Kite. Light. Monkey. Nose. Parrot. Quill. Rat. Sun. Tiger. Van. Watch. Box. Yak. Zebra. Okay. Now you're thinking, why teacher is teaching this? Because these sounds are helpers to know the articles. Okay. Now children, A is a word used before that begin with the A consonant. Okay. Okay, when we are using this A, where we are using the letters starts with consonant, means any letter that starts with these letters. Okay, means any letter starts from B, any letter starts from K, bat, ball, these consonants, then you have to use A. What do you have to use? A. Say A is used before words that begin with a consonant. Consonant means begin means what, children? Start. Okay. The word that starts with this consonant letter, you have to use a article. What you have to use? A article. Say children here. What is the spelling? What is the word here?
A.
No. What is this?
Monkey.
Monkey. Then the first letter starts from
A.
No,
M.
this is monkey. Monkey's first letters. Yes. Monkey. The sound is what? M. Na? So, M is vowel or consonant, children? It's a consonant. So, any letters, it makes the sound of consonant, you will use a. What you are going to use? A monkey. Okay. Now, what is this picture? You can see this picture. Which is that picture?
Donkey.
Donkey. The donkey, it starts from which letter, children?
D.
D. Very good. The sound for D is what?
D.
D. D is consonant or vowel?
Consonant.
Very good. For consonant, we are using a. Then whenever you will see a single donkey, you will say a donkey. Okay. Now what is this? Here. Who is there?
Beer.
Beer. It starts from which letter, children?
B.
B. The sound for B is
B.
B. B is consonant or vowel?
Consonant.
Yes. Means you have to use a for your consonant sound. Now what is this?
Snake.
Snake. First letter is what?
S.
S. Sound for S is what?
S.
S. S is again. S is vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Yes. And what you will use? We will use a snake. Means children, you have to see the first letter and the sound for that letter. If the sounds for letter is a consonant, then you will use a monkey, a donkey, a bear, a snake. It is clear now, consonant? What you have to do? You have to see that word first. And this word, it starts from which letter? And the letter which starts, the letter sound is what? The sound is consonant sound or it's a vowel sound that you have to check. Okay. Next, and. Now where we are using this and? And is used before the word that begin with the vowel. Now children, how many vowels are there?
5.
5. Which are they?
A, E, I, O, U.
Very good. Excellent. For that only I have took that song. Old MacDonald had a farm. E, I, O. These vowels were there, na? Some vowels. 3 vowels were there in that song. This song. Okay. Now, say repeat after me. And is used.
And is used
Before words
before words
that begin with
that begin with
vowel.
vowel.
Means children, vowel you know. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. Means same way children. When you will start with letters, these words, you have to see first letter. And what is the pronunciation? What will be the sound for that letter? If the sound is a, o, e, then that will be your vowel sound. Or a, e, I, o, u. If the sounds are coming, that will be your vowel. Then for this vowel sounds, we have to use an article. What we have to use? An article means for a vowel, you have to check the sounds for that letters. If the sounds comes like a vowel sound, so you will use an. Okay. What you can see in first picture?
Eagle.
Eagle. Now, what will be the sound for first letter?
E.
E. A. Now, what is it? Is it a vowel or is it a consonant?
Vowel.
Yes. So, if vowel is there, you have to use an. An eagle. Now, next is what, children? Next picture you can see here down.
Ostrich.
Ostrich. Okay. What is the first letter?
O.
O. O. Oh, ostrich. Yes. Ow. Now, this is a vowel sound or a consonant sound, children. Yes, children. O, ostrich. O is your vowel sound or consonant sound?
Vowel sound.
Yes, so you will use an. Very good. And iguna, ignore. What is that? This is one of the type of your lizard. Okay, it starts from iguna. E sound is there. So you will use an. What is this, children? What you can say?
Elephant.
Elephant. A, a is which sound? Vowel.
Vowel sound.
Vowel sound. So you will use and. Okay. Means children, where we are using a, we are using a article. This a article for
Consonants.
okay, where we will use for
Consonants.
consonants. Okay. A cat, a dog. Okay. Cat. K means you will use a consonant. Okay, article you are going to use is a. And we are using for vowels. We are using for vowels, children. Okay. Now vowel. An apple. A means the sounds is there for vowel. Apple. So you are going to use and means a article is used for consonants and an article is used for vowels. Okay, this much is clear. A and
Yes.
article and an article.
Yes.
Now we will, you have to tell me what is there in first picture?
Tree.
Tree. Tree. T. Sound is what, children? T. Then
T.
sound of T is consonant or vowel?
Consonant.
Consonants. Then what I will write here? A or an?
A.
A. Very good. Now next is what? Do you like ice cream?
Yes.
Yes. The sound for ice cream starts from
E.
E. E is your I. I sound is there. So what is that I? I is vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Consonant. I. A. I.
Vowel.
Vowel. Very good. So what you will use? A or an?
An.
Yes. Next. Fish. Fish. First sound is there. F. F is vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Consonant. Then what you will write here? A or an?
A.
A fish.
A.
Yes. Pencil. Yes, children. Pencil. What you will use?
A
A or
pencil.
an?
A pencil.
Why
pencil.
a pencil? Well, it is right answer. Okay. The
Because
A is
it
right.
is consonant.
Because
B.
the first letter is consonant sound. Consonant letter is there and sound of consonant letter. Very good. Now next, who will tell me? What is this?
Orange.
Orange. Orange.
Orange.
Now what you will use? A or an?
O.
Orange.
An orange.
Orange. Sound of what first letter is
An
what?
orange.
An orange. Why? Because it is a vowel. And vowel sound is there. Okay. Now what is the next picture?
X.
Next picture is what, children?
Car.
A.
Car. Very good. Very good. Very good.
Car.
A car. Okay. You can see this picture. Next here. Ladybug, you can see?
Yes.
Ladybug.
Yes.
A ladybug.
Very good.
Only.
Now next. Fly.
A fly.
Very Very good, Minds. You have understood A and difference. Very good. Next,
Annex.
why N?
Because E is oval.
Vowel. And after that, what you will say? Sound for that vowel. Okay. What will be the sound? If it is A, E, I, O, U or A, O, E is there, so you will use umbrella.
An umbrella.
And a umbrella. Okay. Now next is what, children?
Oh, butterfly.
Butterfly. A butterfly. Very good. Yes. Now we will move. We know the use of a and in the correct places. Okay. Now we will move. The next article is what we saw a and we saw and. Now the third one is there, that is the. Now there are three articles, children. A and the. Now we are going to see the article. When we are using this a, okay, the is used to refer to specific or a particular noun. Where we are using this? For a specific thing or a particular noun, like India. India is a particular noun. Okay. And is used to modify non-specific or a non-particular nouns. Okay. Means the is what, children? The specific or particular noun. The is what we have to use for specific things. We are using for universal truth also. That never change. And we people can't change that. For that, we are using the. Okay. See here. Crow. You can see? Son, you can see here? Son, if you will go to somewhere else, now you are not, because the color of sun will be changed. If we will go to America, if we will go to any other place, the sun's color will be changed, children? No. This is anywhere we will go, the color of sun or the sun concept is the same. So specific thing, we have to use the article the. What we have to use? The. Now, water. Children, we can count the water. Okay, this ocean water is there. Okay. So we can count this water. No, na? Ki how much water is there in the ocean? No. So non-countable means the things we can't count. Okay. The thing is specific. Water is there. And everywhere color of water is what? Bluish.
Blue.
Yes. That means we can't change this. For this, we have to use the article. Everest mountain. If we will go to Dubai, we can count up this Everest mountain. No, because it's a specific thing is there. Okay. When we will go to another place, same mountain, because see, you can see this mountain, na children? This is Everest mountain. If you will go to another place also, the different mountains are there. But the specific mountain is what? They have given the name of that mountain. Means what? If I will ask, tell me the names of mountain. That is
Himalaya.
thing. If I will say, you have ever seen the Everest mountain? Then you will say, yes, teacher. Huh? Yeah, I have saw in the Google, I have saw in the YouTube, I have went there. So the specific name is there. For this specific name, we have to use the article the. What we will use? The.
The.
Now, there are two types of article. Okay. Three are articles. Okay. Which are the three articles? One is a and the. Now there are two types. Definite article. You can see here definite article and indefinite article. Okay. Now definite article means what, children? The. is known as a definite article. The is known as a definite article because it is used to point out specific person or a thing. Means the whichever word which gives the information of specific thing, any word or any you can point out the any specific person or a thing, you have to use definite article. Now what is definite article? The definite article is the we are using for the specific person or a specific
The
thing.
sun,
Is
the
this
moon,
considered?
the solar
There are two
system.
type of article. Definite article. Now definite means exact. Okay. The exact things which article shows, specific person or specific things which article shows, it shows the. The article shows specific person or a thing. Okay. Indefinite article. Now a and an. Make the noun something general and indefinite. Means if I will say, give me a ball. One will give me this ball. One boy will give me this ball. One boy will give me this ball. Means what? This is specific? No. If I will say, go and bring yellow color ball, then also we are having 3 balls here with yellow color. Means what, children? These are unspecific. These are indefinite. Okay. If I will say bring black color ball is a specific thing. Specific thing shows in the definite article. Okay. And indefinite article, it shows non-specific person or non-specific things. Okay. Give me an egg. You can bring me for this egg also, this one also. You can bring me for this also. These are non-specific. Okay. Children, we saw two types. Definite article means specific person. You have to point out specific person or a thing. Which article includes this? The article includes definite article. Okay. And this is indefinite article. The indefinite article, which articles includes a and an. A and. Why? Because the things are non-specific. The things are non-specific. Okay. Now we have learned articles a and the. We have learned a and the. There are two types, definite article and indefinite article. How many types are there? Two types, definite article, indefinite article. From this definite article, use a and for one out of many. You have to use a and. Okay. So, use of a. We are using this a when the nouns begins with the nouns or adjective begins with the consonant. Okay, the examples, a bag, a cat. Okay. Now, when the vowel U sounds like U, when you will see the sound of U, this U is there, then here is coming in your consonant. So, university. See children, the last two lines you can see university and a utensils. U is coming now.
Yes.
Then this U means your sound is there. U. Okay, the year is coming in your consonant. Okay, is it a vowel? U is a vowel, but the sounds for this is U. Your sound is there. So here is coming in your consonant. Okay. Now use and when the noun begins with the vowel. Okay, and an apple and a umbrella. Okay, same way the consonant sound when we are saying hour. We are not saying hover. Hover we are not saying. We are saying hour. A sound is there. A sound comes in a vowel. And a honor. Honor. These two things now exceptions. I'm going to take it in the next part. Okay. Article part 2. All other rules are there in that second part. I will take in the next lecture that. Okay. So you will get it right things. You will get it understand betterly in that lesson. Okay. In the second part. Use the for the specific item.
Explain.
The umbrella in the bag. Umbrella is specific. Okay.
Okay.
You have to give me the umbrella. That umbrella, where it is? It is in the bag.
Bag.
The bag. Is it on the bag? Means this is a specific thing. For specific thing, we have to use the. The cat is in the tree. The cat.
is in
So which cat you will see? You are going to see the near the tree wala cat. Okay. Next, it's come. How much you have understood? Now tell me what is mean by article, children?
Articles means
Yes.
the articles means the mm,
Words.
words the
What is
o and use
That
o
are the articles.
Yes,
Yes, another boy said correctly. Yes, repeat beta.
article.
Yes, article. What is mean by article?
the articles means the use of o and an.
A and yes, and other. What is mean but what is mean by article?
The article is the word that is used before the noun. A and the are the examples of the articles.
Very good. Means we are using before the noun or before the adjective. Very good. How many types of articles are there? How many types we learn? 2 types. Very good. Which are 2 types? Which were 2 types, children? Which were the 2 types of articles?
Specific and non-specific.
For that specific, what word we have? What term we have used? Definite. What we have used? Definite articles for specific things. Very good. And indefinite. Indefinite is used. Indefinite article is a for non-specific thing. Very good. Now, which type of article include? Which type means definite or indefinite? Which type of article include a, and? Which type? Definite article or an indefinite article?
Indefinite article.
Very good. Which type of article include the? Which type includes the?
Indefinite.
Indefinite?
Definite article.
Definite articles are specific things, and for specific things we are using the. Which article we used for consonant sound?
A.
Oh, very good. Which article we used for vowel sound?
N.
And. Very good. Now it's homework time. What you have to do, children? There are in first question you have to circle the correct one. Okay. And in the next question number 2, write the correct articles before each noun. Nouns are given. Before that noun, you have to write article. A and the article is there or an article. So you have to do. Okay. Copy it down, children.
Yes, I screenshot them.
Yes, you can take screenshot. Okay. Thank you, children.
Welcome
And
for teaching me.
Yeah. Part first. Okay. Now, in the second lecture, we are going to see the article part 2. Okay. Thank you.